Yes, students, welcome to our next class, that is chapter number 3, compound interest with formula. Last chapter we have done without formula and this chapter is with formula. So children, this is the formula to find out the amount in case of compound interest. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. A stands for amount, P principal, R is rate and n is time, that is number of years. And compound interest, you know how to find out, amount minus final principal. So let us apply these formulas in the given questions. Exercise 3rd A, students. First statement is find the amount and compound interest on rupees 12,000. Principal is given 12,000 in 3 years at 5%, interest being compounded annually. Again, interest is compounded annually. So look children, we'll write the same formula as I told you. So principal is given, rate is given to us, time is given to us. Clear students? Now amount is equal to 12,000. After taking LCM you will get 105 over 100 raised to the power 3. Then after you can do the calculations and after doing the calculation we'll obtain the answer. That will be the amount. Okay. So amount you can find out yourself. Then after children you are asked to find compound interest also, and you know that is equal to amount minus principal. Amount we will get from this calculation and principal is already given to us, that is 12,000. So I hope you all will find out the answer. Now children, second question you can do yourself. It is same like this. Now question number third question. Calculate the compound interest occurred on rupees 6,000. So see children, principal is given 6,000 in 3 years compounded yearly. So this thing is very important, whether it is compounded yearly or half yearly. Clear? Compounded yearly if the rate of successive years. So children, be very careful. In this case, for 3 different years, 3 different rates are given. So in that case, how to apply the formula? Amount is equal to P into 1 plus, this is the rate of first year, 1 plus rate of second year by 100, 1 plus rate of third year by 100. So all the values are given to you. Look here, you have to put the values. Then you will obtain amount is equal to 6,000. Here I have done cuttings. When you will take LCM, it will become 20 plus 1, 21 by 20. Here you will get 25 plus 2, 27 by 25. Here you will get 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. So calculations you can do yourself. After that, compound interest, how to find out? Amount minus principal. Yes students, question number 4. What sum of money, that means principal is unknown, amounts to rupees 5,445. Amounts to means amount is given to you in 2 years, time is 2 years and rate percent is 10%. Look here, same formula. Amount is given, principal we need to find out. 1 plus rate is given over 100 raised to the power 2. So look, it is very simple. This P into, after taking LCM you will get 11 by 10, 11 by 10. So in order to find out P, we transpose 10 and 10 that side. 11 will come in the denominator. So find out principal. Fifth question is on what sum of money, again principal is missing, will the compound interest, last question it was given amounts to, but here it is given will the compound interest for 2 years at 5% per annum amounts to this. So children, read the question carefully. Compound interest amounts to, that means what is given to you? Compound interest. Okay. So you know the formula of compound interest, that is A minus P. So compound interest is equal to, how we'll find out amount? P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n minus P. So look, we can take P common from here. Clear? In place of compound interest, I put the value into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n and P is taken common. So what will come over here? Minus 1. Actually, this is the formula. So this you can learn. Compound interest is equal to principal square bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n minus 1. Now look children, this value is same, principal as it is. Here we can do the cutting. 5 and 100 can be cancelled. So 20 will come over here. When you will take LCM, here you will get P into 21 by 20 square minus 1. So this value as it is, P as it is, 21 square is 441 over 400 minus 1. Now after that, look here, the value is same, P. Then after you have to take LCM, and then this way you have to find out principal. 8th question, on a certain sum, the compound interest in 2 years amounts to. Children, again compound interest amounts to, that means compound interest is given. This is given and 2 different rates are given in the question. So I applied the formula of compound interest. It is given P as 2 different rates are given. So what we'll do, 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 minus 1. We'll not write here the number of years because 2 different years separately we have taken. Now same value as it is. When you will take LCM, 11 by 10. Here when you will take LCM, 23 by 20 minus 1. Then after, here you can do multiplication. Okay. Then you have to take LCM. So I found P in terms of this. So cuttings you can do yourself and find out the answer. 10th question. At what rate percent? Children, what you have to find out? At what rate percent compound interest does a sum of money, rate is missing, does a sum of money, principal is also not given, clear, becomes 1.44 times of itself. Again, question, try to understand it. A sum of money, let that sum of money be x, it will become 1.44 of itself, meaning x. That means this is what amount, and time is given in 2 years. You are asked to find out rate. Look children, as amount is given, I will apply the formula of amount. Now what is amount? 1.44x, it is given to us, is equal to principal is x, 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 2. I can cut x and x because when you will take x this side, it will get cancelled. Then children, what you are left with, 1.44 can be written as 144 by 100. And from where I get the square root, when you will remove square from this side, it will change to square root. So what will you get? Square root of 144 is 12 by 10 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. Now after that 1 we can transpose this side. 12 by 10 minus is equal to r by 100. Take LCM and after the cuttings the rate percent is 20%. 11th question, at what rate percent? Again you have to find out rate. A sum of 4,000 principal is given to you, yield rupees 1,324 compound interest. Now in this case compound interest is given, so we'll apply this formula. Put the values, compound interest is given, this is given, rate we are asked to find out. Now look children, I can transpose 4,000 this side, clear? Then this side you are left with 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power n minus 1. In the next step we can take 1 this side, clear? When you will take 1 this side, then after we have to take LCM. LCM will be 4,000. Then after doing calculation, you will get 5,324 by 1000. Then you can cut the terms. You will get 1331 over 1000 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 3. When you will remove cube from this side, it will change to cube root. And cube root of this value is 11 and 1000 is 10. Transpose 1. And then you can do the calculations. Okay, so from here the value of r is 10%. 13th question, in how many years? That means time you have to find out. Will rupees 7,000 principal is given, amount is given, rate you have to find out. As amount is given, we'll apply the formula of amount. Then you have to put the values children. Clear? After taking it this side, we'll get this 1331 over 1000. So look here, 1331 you know it is cube of 11 and this is cube of 10. Clear? So it can be written. Now compare, bases are same, so powers will also be same. So time n is 3 years.